So here's how to change grid line color in Excel. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the left upper side and simply select the file. And once you have done to here, you can simply go and select the options on the bottom side. Alright, right after that, onto the left side, you will probably see the advanced. You need to select the advanced and then scroll it down right here, which is display options for this worksheet. You need to go to that. And then under this section, you will probably see the grid line color. So you need to select that one. You can select any grid line color you want. So for my case, I'm going with blue, or you can go with green. So let's just go with the green once again and simply press on OK. So now as you can see, the grid line color has been changed to green. So that's how you can simply change the grid line color in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.